MCR Lausitz offers comprehensive maintenance services for rail vehicles and supports customers in the fields of machinery and steel construction, as well as 3D metal printing. At its production center in the Schwarze Pump Industrial Park, MCR Lausitz has now invested in a new roller conveyor blasting machine from Rösler in combination with a miter bandsaw from Behringer. The blasting machine is used to blast steel, sheet metal and profiles for rail vehicles. Subsequent processing of the profiles on the Behringer miter bandsaw bundles the required cuts just in time for each order.
My name is
Karsten Stolle, and I am project manager at MCR Lausitz. One of my responsibilities is the procurement of new machines. We are here at our new plant in the cutting to size area. This is a shot blasting machine from Rösler with a bandsaw from Behringer, connected by a transport system with storage. Before purchasing the new plant, we had carried out the work processes on separate, older machines. Above all, the blasting machine was limited in terms of capacity and flexibility, meaning that only smaller workpieces could be processed. In addition, transporting materials between machines and the steel construction department was time-consuming. In addition to setting up for future customer projects, optimizing the entire process and material flow was also crucial for us. We now have a wider and longer roller conveyor on the blasting machine, short distances between the machines and trades, as well as good user-friendliness of the systems. For example, the operator at the saw is supported in many ways by the control system, whether it be unmanned automatic operation, automatic nesting of different saw cuts, or material width detection, which immediately takes existing tolerances into account. These efficiency gains, which result from combining the shot blasting system with a transport system and a modern saw, confirmed our decision to invest. This now enables us to achieve significantly shorter throughput times while maintaining the required quality. The result is efficient, high-quality cutting that lays the foundation for demanding steel construction projects. During the tendering process and project implementation, Rösler and Behringer always provided me with excellent advice and support in the planning phase, whether it was coordinating on-site or clarifying details, sometimes even quickly online. I always had a contact person available, thanks to the excellent planning by Rösler and Behringer.
This system combination was planned by Partners for Steel. Thanks to this partnership, customers can get customized, fully integrated production lines for sawing, drilling, blasting, and painting, including professional consulting and technical coordination. Everything from a single source.